restrictions that have been put in place in France, Spain, Italy, those are all things that we're looking at. Maybe we need to do those sooner or.
This is an odd time in the world. Everything seems paused. I wake up every day thinking, what is today gonna look like? My day is simple, simpler than I'd like. I miss the chaos of walking through the crowded halls to my next class that is awaited for my curious mind. I wake up, finish my daily learning, then get ready and go for a walk. I found that I actually enjoy going on walks. I use it as a time to clear my crowded head. I can tell with my parents, neighbors, and friends that the stress is increasing gravely. I, personally, am at just a state of confusion. I don't exactly know how to feel. Should I be worried or hopeful? Something that I do know is that I found a way to be elsewhere from this craze. It's focusing on myself. As for having a break from my busy life, I have decided to concentrate on finding myself. I'm focusing on what my goals are for the future and what I want to accomplish. If it's beginning to look at colleges, what I want to do as a career path, or making a list of where I'd like to travel in the future. I think people should take this time to hear what their own mind is saying and focus on themselves. It's a good way to reset our racing minds before we return to the laughter and joy of normal life.